This is the real Tom Rose, and we're trying to calculate how many dog biscuits a dog will get at this crazy strict dog circus. And it helps to realize what we're starting out with. Now, you kind of have a base rate of 4 biscuits when the dog achieves 50 commands obeyed. The question is, how many biscuits will a dog get who obeys 90 commands? And in order to figure this out, I'm going to set up a basic proportion. And a proportion is essentially a fraction. And what I'm going to calculate is the number of additional biscuits over the number of additional commands. Right? We're told that the number of biscuits increases by a constant amount for every increase of 5 obeyed commands. Okay, so let's do additional 5 obeyed commands, and let's figure out how many additional biscuits you get for that. Well, when we go from 50 to 55, that's 5 additional commands. We went from 4 to 4 1/4. So the additional biscuits that I got were 1/4. And that's your proportion. It's 1/4 over 5. And we can use this proportion to figure out how many biscuits a dog would get who obeyed 90 total commands. So let's keep that same proportion, 1/4 over 5. And let's set it equal to the same equation, additional biscuits over additional commands. We don't know the additional biscuits, but let's do the additional commands is 90, but we have to subtract the 50 that we already did. So that's 40. So it's 90 minus 50. Right here we did 55 minus 50. And what we're trying to figure out is this number right here. So let's go ahead and use algebra techniques to solve this. And I'm going to start out by cross multiplying. And we're going to end up with 40 over 4 equals 5. And I'm going to put a variable in here. This is b. So we end up with 10 equals 5b. Let's divide both sides by 5. And we'll end up with 2 equals b. So the dog, and this is b is equal to the additional biscuits. Now how many biscuits did we start out with? 4. So when we add 2, we'll end up with a total of 2 plus 4 equals 6 biscuits. That will be your answer.